In every materials science lab, the accuracy of your analysis depends on one crucial first step: the cut. Metallographic cutting tools are the foundation of reliable specimen preparation, determining whether a sample's microstructure will be preserved for examination or altered beyond recognition. That's why choosing the right cutting tool is more than a technical choice. It's a scientific necessity. So, what exactly are metallographic cutting tools? At their core, these machines, often called abrasive cutters, use a high-speed rotating abrasive wheel to section metals, ceramics, composites, and more. The goal is always the same: produce a clean, undisturbed cross-section, ready for microscopic analysis. There are two main types of tools to consider. Abrasive cutters are the workhorses, offering fast, efficient cuts for most lab needs. For delicate or high-value samples, precision low-speed cutters are essential. They minimize surface damage, making them ideal for brittle or soft materials. Manual cutters offer flexibility for research labs with varied samples, while automated cutters provide speed and consistency for high-volume environments. For advanced solutions, UCOM Industrial Super Hard Tools is ready to assist. Contact us at 25205 Avenue Tibbetts, Valencia, CA, or call 661-257-2288.